Hey guys, welcome to another super easy guitar lesson for the first day beginner. There's no excuse not to play guitar. I want to show you one chord today with one finger that will give you one classic rock song. I've drawn the picture of the chord here. These chord pictures, if you've never seen them before, are drawn on a vertical scale, just like if you were holding your guitar straight up in front of you. These two strings with the O's on them are going to be played no fingers on them. On the third string, you see the dot in the first fret. That's this space on your guitar. You put your finger there and press the note. The next string is played open as well. So you'll strum 4 strings with your thumb or your finger or your guitar pick. You'll try to hit those 4 strings and not these 2 low strings, because you don't want to hear these. You just favor the top strings with your strum. And that's the song. That's all we're going to play. You can just strum down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you get good at it, you'll hear this little accent. You might notice there's one quiet strum and one loud strum. The second strum is accented. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that song is Keep On Chooglin by Creedence Clearwater Revival. That's the only chord in there. Even though there's other things going on the recording, a bass guitar, a lead guitar playing some riffs and drums, of course, the one chord is the E7 that we're learning here. You can strum those 4 strings with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you start getting the hang of it and you want to add a finger to it, let's do that. These top 4 strings are enough, but you could add your middle finger to the 5th string at the 2nd fret, and then you can play the 6th string open as well, so you get all 6 strings. Here's the first chord you had, open string, pointer on the 3rd string, open string. That was good. Now we can move the 2nd finger onto the 5th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at the 2nd fret, and we can include this open now, so we can hit all 6 strings if we want. Again, the way the song works is you can hit one quieter and one louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on chooglin', keep on chooglin', keep on chooglin', chooglin', And so that's all there is for that level of this song, guys. One chord and one song. If you like doing that and you feel like you'd like to learn more chords and more songs, maybe learn how to solo and read the notes on your guitar, then why not subscribe to the channel, join up with the beginner guitar course, and start following the lessons one at a time as best you can. When you see one that you're not quite ready to tackle, then why not bookmark it and come back to it later. Hopefully I'll see you guys later. Take her easy. Bye for now.